Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to find the date you created your Instagram account or how old your Instagram account is. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, do you want to know when your Instagram account was created? If so, let me show you how to find out. On your phone, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on settings. Then tap on security. Now tap on access data. Once the page loads up, at the top it'll tell you what date you joined Instagram. As you can see, I joined Instagram on May 11th, 2019 at 12:22 p.m. And there you go, that is how to find out when you created your Instagram account. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.